All right, now we're doing W3Schools HTML tutorial, HTML styles. So the HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. For example, we have some text that says I am red, some that says I am blue, and then another one that says I am big, like this. If we try it ourselves, we'll see colors equals red, it says style equals color, colon red, color colon blue, font hyphen size colon 50px. So red, blue, and this is 50px right here. Okay. So we're going to talk about the HTML style attribute. So setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. So a tag name right here, then a space, style equals, and then we're going to put inside of double quotes or single quotes, property, colon, and then the value right here. So the property is a CSS property, and the value is also a CSS value. And we're going to learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. So now we're going to talk about the background color, and the CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. For example, we're going to set the background color for a page to powder blue. Okay, so we're going to say background hyphen color colon powder blue. Let's try it. And so I guess this color here is powder blue when we do it just like that. So let's come over here and look at the example to set the background color for two different elements. All right, so we're going to just do the same thing for the powder blue, and then we're going to say background color tomato for this paragraph right here. So let's try it, and you see the the powder blue and the tomato color here. All right, so now we're going to talk about text color. So the CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. So right here we've got color blue. Since it's talking about this stuff right here, it's just going to say color instead of like font size or background color or anything like that, because it knows exactly what it's talking about. So color blue, color red. Let's try it ourselves. So now we've got this, this is supposedly the blue, and this is the red right here. Okay. So let's go to fonts. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. All right. So here's font hyphen family Verdana, and then for Courier, and we'll come over here. And so this is Verdana here, and then this is going to be Courier. All right. So we get that. And now text size, the CSS font size property defines the the CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. So we're going to do font hyphen size 300%. So it's going to be the regular H1 times 3 in size, and this one's going to be times 1.6. And so it's this big on this one and this big on this one. All right. So now we're going to talk about text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So for example, we've got text hyphen align center, and we'll center it, center the H1 and center the P. So you see these are both centered, and if we come over here and just change this to right and then run it, you see it's now right justified. All right, so that's how that works. Here's the chapter summary right here. We're going to use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. We're going to use the background color for the background color, believe it or not. We'll use color for text colors, font family for text fonts, font size for text sizes, and text aligned for text alignment. Okay, so let's do some exercises over here. We'll start up. We're going to use the correct HTML attributes and CSS to set the color of the paragraph to blue. So right here we'll say style, and then in this we'll do the color colon blue, just like that. All right, let's check it. All right. And so now we're going to use CSS to set the font of the paragraph to Courier. Okay, so we'll say font family, font hyphen family right here. So font hyphen family. All right, let's check it. Looks good. Next. All right, so CSS to center align the paragraph. So we're just going to say text hyphen align. Text hyphen align. Just like that. Let's submit it. Looks good. And then we're going to do the text size. So it's going to be font hyphen size. Font hyphen size. Just like that. Let's check it. All right. Now we've got, I guess, 2 left. So we're going to use CSS to set the background color of the document to yellow. So it's going to be background hyphen color. Background hyphen, hyphen color. Just like that. Let's submit it. All right. 1 left. And we're going to use CSS to center align the document. Body. So right here we're going to do style. So it knows we're doing the CSS, and then we're going to do the text hyphen align, and then we're going to center align it. So we'll say colon center like that. And let's submit it. Looks good. Awesome. Okay, so now we're on to the formatting. So let's go back over here to styles. So that's pretty much it. There's no links or anything like that. So let's go to the next one. All right, so next we're going to be doing HTML text formatting, and we'll see you next time.